Is Veeva Vault CRM worth it, or is it just another overhyped platform? If you're in pharma, biotech, or medical devices, you've probably heard the buzz. So here's the quick truth. Veeva Vault CRM is absolutely not a scam. In fact, it's the industry standard, trusted by all of the top 20 pharmaceutical companies worldwide. Unlike generic CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, Veeva is purpose-built for life sciences. That means it's designed to handle strict regulations. Think GXP, 21 CFR Part 11, even PDMA compliance, automatically, so your team stays audit-ready. With over 2,500 customers and about $3.2 billion in revenue, Veeva has established itself as the go-to solution for big pharma. What sets Veeva apart? It unifies commercial teams, sales, marketing, and medical, all on a single connected platform. No more wasting time chasing scattered data. Plus, they're rolling out AI agents that help with pre-call planning, content management, and even voice-to-text reporting, at no extra cost through 2030. But, let's be real, it's not all smooth sailing. Veeva Vault CRM has a steep learning curve. It's powerful, but complex, so you'll need to invest in real training. The cost can also be a challenge, especially for smaller companies. And while it's great for regulated industries, it's not flexible for businesses outside of pharma. So, is Veeva Vault CRM legit? Absolutely. But is it for everyone? Not quite. If you're looking for beginner-friendly software or a bargain deal, this isn't it. But if you need industry-grade compliance and are ready to invest in proper setup and training, Veeva Vault CRM is the real deal.